Hello and welcome to Christy Capital Management Construction Zone. We're here at the end of 2020 and we are expanding. We need more room to have more staff to take care of you, the clients, in the greatest capacity that we have. So we're excited to be filming today from the middle of our mess as we are knee-deep in construction. But you tuned in for an economic update. So again, this is Brandon Christy with Christy Capital Management, an educational economic update for November 2020. In this month's video, we'll discuss some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in October. I will also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. Inaction on a fiscal stimulus bill and rising COVID-19 cases, both here and abroad, put pressure on stock prices in October. The Dow Industrials, which have lagged much of the year, dropped nearly 5%. The S&P 500 index fell about 3%, while the NASDAQ Composite slipped a little more than 2%. The theme moving markets was the new fiscal stimulus bill, which many believe is needed to keep the recovery moving. When talks appeared on track, stocks rallied. When negotiations broke down, stocks fell. As hope for a stimulus deal faded, a surge in COVID in the US and Europe added to souring market sentiment. As the month came to a close, many companies reported solid earnings for the third quarter, but the market seemed overwhelmed by macro issues, with selling accelerating in that final week of trading. The election results will take center stage this month. Should President Trump get reelected, investors would expect him to follow similar policy initiatives during his second term. If former Vice President Biden wins, investors may be listening closely to public statements and potential cabinet appointments to gain insight into his policy priorities. Regardless of who wins, the market may eagerly await signs of the timing, size, and elements of a new stimulus measure as anticipated for the last several months. Well, that's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Again, this is Brandon Christy with Christy Capital Management, signing off for the month of November 2020. Now remember, nothing we talk about here can be considered a financial recommendation. Please call us at the number provided on the screen, and we'd be happy to talk with you. We look forward to talking again as we continue our progress here at Christy Capital.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. No investment strategy can guarantee a profit or protect against loss in periods of declining markets. The indices mentioned are unmanaged and cannot be invested into directly. Past performance does not guarantee future results.